Sorry for the abrupt silence, everyone, but hi YouTube, this is r4i3ds here. I'm going to be showing you how to install the YS menu slash ttds menu on your r4i3ds. Hang on, let me get the camera up here. So I have it on my screen so that way you can see what I'm actually doing. So, okay. So as you see here, I have the r4i3ds and I'll be running ttds menu slash ys menu. So what I'm gonna do is you have to plug it in your computer. Of course you do. Yeah, sure. Start the intro like that. Okay. So I'll plug it in. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna open a few files. Hang on, let me minimize this. Okay, so as you see, I have all my stuff here, and I can actually run it using the YS menu. So first, you want to make sure you back up some of your certain things. Like, I'm going to have to back up my r4 data, so I'm going to back that up now. Because what I'm going to do is, I'm actually going to rename it this. I'm going to rename ttmenu NDS r4i3ds. So, delete the r4 and now I'm going to rename this the same thing as the r4.dat. So, or is that the config? Cancel, undo. I screwed up. My bad. You're supposed to do is you were supposed to rename your ttds menu. Have the ttds menu because it may run certain apps. This is if you want the ttds menu on your r4 card. So what you gotta do is rename the ttdat to r4. If you have an r4i3ds, you just think r4dat. There you go. There you go. Changed. So now, what you do is you exit out of the program, and now you have, and I'll leave the. You can download all this stuff from r4wood.com. Has the kernels and everything. You just gotta explore the site. You'll see ttds kernel, which I'll find a way to leave for you eventually when I get to it. So now I have to take out my thing. Oops, I forgot one thing. I forgot to mention one thing. I gotta put the TT menu back in. So I gotta put the TT menu in here before I do that. Okay, so TT menu is right here. Okay, that's good. So everything's there. I'm just making sure everything's there. Okay, now I can unplug. And I can just take out my thing and I see you see I'm using this. So oops. And I'm using Skype to show my webcam because I log a tech thing and didn't install the software. So I'm using Skype to show it off. Because it's easier to screen share the camera rather than just like, have a whole video on it. Okay, so now I have my thing. I'm going to show you that I do indeed have the TT menu installed in here. That should come up. See, now it's going to come up as this. And that's going to come up as this YS menu. In order to get to the TT menu, you click this thing here, and you'll get to the ttds menu. So now you can select your games, and I'm just going to play one for example. But Pokemon Black 2 does not work. Yeah, unfortunately not. I'm gonna try Pokemon Conquest because I don't think it's gonna work, but what is one to do? No, it's not gonna work because I don't think they released an update for this. So I offered and supported for some reason. I don't know why. I'm gonna show you a game that does work indeed, and I'm gonna. And you may need the SD card formatter, which you can get offline. I mean, not offline, online. I'm so stupid. So now if you want, there's a YS menu and there's a TT menu. This is an unofficial kernel of the TT menu. So now, let's see. I'm just gonna run Super Mario because it's the easiest thing to run, like ever. I'm just gonna show you Pokemon Black actually works. You know, for those of you that play Pokemon Black. There you go. As you see, it's working. Some of the games don't work because I don't know why I have error code for. But anyway, as you see, it is in the Skype thing and the webcam thing there. And it runs perfectly well, and the speed is overall good. So I'm just gonna see if I have the software set on it. Okay, so I don't have the software set on. So anyway, if you like this video, comment, rate, subscribe, guys, and see you later.